In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change property address on Booking.com. If you're a host or property owner and need to update your listing's location, you'll do it in the Booking.com extranet. This is the host dashboard, and it's different from the regular guest app or website. Guests can't change a property's address, so you'll need access to your host account. Start by opening a browser and going to partner.booking.com. Sign in with your host credentials and complete any security checks if prompted. If you manage multiple listings, choose the correct property so you're editing the right place. Think of the extranet as your control center for rooms, calendars, rates, photos, and, for today, your location details. Once you're in the property, navigate to the area where the address lives. The exact label can vary, but you'll typically find it under Property or Property Details. In some accounts, it might appear as General Info or Location. Open that section to view the address fields. You should see fields for street address, city, postal or zip code, and country or region. Some setups also include an extra line for building, unit, or nearby landmarks. Go through each field carefully and update it to reflect your current address. Use the official format for your country and include the street number and any unit identifiers your local postal service expects. Small details matter here because they influence search accuracy, local tax settings, and how the listing appears to guests. Before saving, double-check spelling and numbers, especially the postal code and city. If your region has multiple names or spellings, use the standard one recognized by local services. When everything looks correct, save your changes. The update should appear in your extranet immediately, though it may take a little time to refresh on the public listing. If you manage your property through a channel manager or a property management system, make these edits there first. Some hosts have their Booking.com fields locked to prevent conflicts, and the extranet may not let you type directly. Updating the channel manager or PMS ensures the change syncs automatically to Booking.com. After you make the change, give it a moment to synchronize, then refresh the extranet to confirm the new address has come through. That's it. By signing into the extranet, opening the Property or Property Details section, and updating the address fields, or making the change in your connected channel manager, you'll keep your listing accurate and easy for guests to find. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your updates.